Starting around 13 January 2024, Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $0.0803 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in most recent 60 minutes. Doge by and large has a complete market cap of $11,452,616,739, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $555,730. This really makes Dogecoin, Doge, beautiful positioning at 10 in the cryptographic money market, which essentially is very critical. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin really be in every practical sense, worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way? Is Dogecoin a sort of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Doge cost truly outperform its unequaled high, or so they for the most part thought? These essentially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Expectation 2024, as per the Dogecoin Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Doge cost truly is supposed to basically cross a really normal value level of $0.1143, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $0.1102 in a kind of large manner. Besides, Doge can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.1345 in a huge manner. Dogecoin Value Expectation January 2024, Dogecoin cost in every practical sense is supposed to sort of reach between $0.0762 to $0.0866 in January 2024. While the typical cost of Doge for the January essentially remains the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Dogecoin could truly stretch around $0.0908 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in February 2024 truly is $0.0827, with an essentially normal cost of $0.0859, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin Value Expectation Walk 2024, Dogecoin cost in a real sense is supposed to reach between $0.0861 to $0.0942 in Walk 2024, while the truly normal cost of Doge for the walk certainly remains around $0.0893. Doge Value Conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is determined to in every way that really matters be at around a very least worth of $0.0889, which is genuinely huge. The Dogecoin value worth can explicitly arrive at a really limit of $0.0978, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.0929 in United States dollars, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Value Conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is supposed to basically be at around a kind of least of $0.0915, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.1025, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.0947 in United States dollars, in a truly significant way. Dogecoin Value Expectation June 2024, Dogecoin cost in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.0934 to $0.1072 in June 2024, while the very normal cost of Doge for the June generally remains around $0.0966. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Forecast July 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0965 and $0.1111, or so the essentially thought. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.1005, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin Value Expectation August 2024, Dogecoin cost explicitly is supposed to reach between $0.0995 to $0.1151 in August 2024, while the typical cost of Doge for the August basically remains around $0.1035. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is in every practical sense anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $0.1066, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.1203 and a by and large least of $0.1026, showing how Dogecoin value forecast August 2024. Dogecoin cost is supposed to reach between $0.0995 to $0.1151 in August 2024, while the essentially normal cost of Doge for the August especially remains around $0.1035. Dogecoin, Doge, value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Dogecoin really is by and large anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $0.1066, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.1203 and an extremely least of $0.1026 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value estimate October 2024, the sort of normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could especially go to $0.1098 toward the finish of October 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge could be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.1256, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.1066, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value estimate November 2024. The Dogecoin, Doge, cost for November 2024 may especially arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.1088, while the greatest gauge cost is around $0.1300, which generally is genuinely critical. The extremely normal cost for Doge generally is for the most part anticipated to especially reach $0.1120 in November 2024, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation December 2024. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between $0.1102 to $0.1345 in December 2024, while the essentially normal cost of Doge for the December in a real sense stays around $0.1143. Dogecoin genuinely passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been by and large diminished by 5.18% in its especially current worth, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we by and large analyze the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin basically is confronting in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, or so they thought. The Doge by and large is down to nearly 0.71% over the most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for extremely past in every practical sense, hardly any days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for commonly yet we don't really imagine that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment. Dogecoin value gauge 2024 facts. What will for the most part be Dogecoin genuinely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost fundamentally is gauged to explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $0.1345, with genuinely least cost of